Hello friends, today in this video I will share with you, grow your hair faster with onion juice, stop hair fall, world's best hair growth remedy 100% works. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, because never miss another update. So first we need onion. I make onion paste. Onion juice is a known remedy for hair health, specifically for hair loss. It's been used for decades as a home treatment. Considering using onion juice for your own hair care? Read up on the remedy to make sure it will benefit your particular hair health and care routine. Onion juice may be effective for hair loss in some instances. It may also restore luster and shine. Onion juice could also prevent premature graying of hair and treat dandruff. Last we need lemon juice. Lemons contain antioxidants, minerals such as calcium, magnesium and potassium, and vitamins including C and B6, which are all important for healthy hair. Known as an aid to increase hair growth, its use can stimulate the follicles and scalp, reduce dry skin and remove excess oils. We have to mix it well. Mix it well. Ready for apply on your hair. How to use. Apply on hair and leave it 30 minutes. After 30 minutes rinse hair by normal water. Apply only 3 days in a week. Apply about 3 to 4 weeks to get result. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe now.